हो गया।
Hello guys, today we will be studying about isomers. Okay, so basically what are isomers? Isomers are the compound having the same molecular formula but different structure formula. Okay, it has same molecular formula. But different structure formulas. Now isomers can be seen even in alkanes such as methane. In methane, no isomer is seen. In methane, no isomer is seen. But in case of propane, is not seen. It is seen from butane. From butane, isomers are seen. Okay. So from butane, isomers are seen. In case of butane, what is the formula of butane? C4H10. So we can get the structure like this. So these are the isomers of butane. This is the first isomer of butane and this is known as N-butane or normal butane. So it is called N-butane or normal butane. Now the next isomer of butane can be written in the form of this. We can make a branch chain over here and then we can write it as 2-methyl butane. Here each bond of the carbon, 4 bond of carbon is satisfied by hydrogen and its name is 2-methyl. Its name is 2-methyl butane. Okay. Other name of this is isobutane. So here we are getting two types of isomers. Here we are getting two types of isomers, 2-methyl butane or isobutane. Now in the next case, I am erasing this to write a second one. So next butane is pentane. Now what happens in case of pentane is its actual formula is C5H12 and in this case it is like this. 5-state carbon chain will be there. Okay, and now each will be substituted by hydrogen. So the valency of carbon is satisfied as 4 over here. So this one is simply called N-pentane. This one is called N-pentane. N-pentane or it can also be called as normal pentane. Now the second one will be isopentane. So the second one as usual it will be a branched one. So what should be the name of this? The name of this should be 2-methyl butane. As we can see that there are 4 carbon chains, so according to the IUPAC naming, it should be named as 2-methyl butane. Or other name for this one is, another name for this one is isopentane. Now let us move to the next one and write on the next one, we can write it as, we can make the branch on the top as well as on the bottom and we can write it as, since there are 2 chains, so we can write it as 2,2-dimethyl propane. 2,2-dimethyl propane. Now this can also be written as neopentane. What can it can be written as? It can be written as neopentane, which is the third name. Okay. Now the next thing is, after writing this, we can see that there are structural changes as we move forward. Okay. After this, we will study about the next topic, which is basically esters. What are esters? We will study about esters. So what are esters? Esters have a fruity smell. Esters have fruity smell. So how are they formed? An ester is formed when an alcohol reacts with an ester is formed when an alcohol reacts with a carboxylic acid. An alcohol when reacts with a carboxylic acid, we can see that esters are formed. It leads to the formation of esters. So we can write alcohol. Let us write ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. and then they have to get an acid which is ethanoic acid, CH3COOH, and there should be concentrated sulfuric acid over there. Temperature should be around 50 degrees centigrade. What will happen? We get a new compound which is basically CH3COO